Here comes our next question. Padma Subramaniam is an exponent of classical dance. Bharatnatyam, C option is correct. Which one among the following is least like the others? It is Bhangra, that is least like the others. Kathakali, Kuchipudi and Bharatnatyam, all these are classical dances. P.T. Shivshankar Sharma is an exponent of Santoor. Where do the striptease artists work? They work in cabarets. A option is correct. Which from the following is a classical dance form? So it is Bharatnatyam, that is a classical dance form. What is the creative art in which Sonal Mansingh distinguished the art form is dance? Which from the following is a classical dance form? So it is Kathakali, that is a classical dance form. Which one of the following is not a form of Carnatic music? It is Tappa, that is not a form of Carnatic music. The first Taki film in India was Alamara. Odissi classical dance originated in Odisha. The dance Kathakali is associated with the state of Kerala. B option is correct. Who of the following is a famous tabla player? The person is Zakir Hussain, who is a famous tabla player. Gidha is a form of dance associated with the state of Punjab. Bihu is a festival that is associated with Assam. Match the following: Bharatnatyam, Kuchipudi, Kathakali and Odissi. The dance form and their states will be matched here. So Bharatnatyam is associated with Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi is associated with Andhra Pradesh, Kathakali is associated with Kerala and Odissi is associated with Odisha. A option is correct here. Next question. What is the name of the famous folk drama of Bhils? So the name of famous folk drama of Bhils is Gavari. Shiv Kumar Sharma is famous for playing Santoor. Sanjukta Panigrahi was famous for the dance Bharatnatyam. Kathakali classical dance originated in Kerala. Bhangra is a dance of Punjab. Dandiya is a popular dance of Gujarat. Which one of the following is wrongly paired? Folk dance and state. So Kerala is wrongly paired here. Karagam is not a folk dance of Kerala. Kuchipudi is a folk dance of Kerala. A option is correct here. The Kshatriya Nritya, recognized as a classical dance form of India by the Sangeet Natak Academy only in 2000, originated from Assam. In which one of the following did Fran act as a character artist and not in the role of villain? So it is the film Janjeer. B option is correct. The name of the great maestro of Indian music, Ustad Bismillah Khan, is related to. So he is related to Sahnai. The religious text of Jews is named as Torah. Indian first Taki film produced in 1931 was Alamara. The oldest form of composition of Hindustani vocal music is Dhrupad. The Rag Kameshwari was composed by Pandit Ravi Shankar. The classical dance of Andhra Pradesh is Kuchipudi. Who directed the film on the dacoit queen Phulan Devi? It was directed by Shashi Kapoor. Shekhar Kapoor. Which among the following is a folk dance of India? So it is Garba. Which was the first Taki film made in India? It was Alamara. Hariprasad Chaurasia is a renowned player of flute. Which of the following is responsible for fostering the development of dance, drama and music in India? So it is Sangeet Natak Academy. Who among the following is not a Bharatnatyam dancer? The person is Sitara Devi, who is not a Bharatnatyam dancer. Kathakali dance form is associated with which state? It is associated with Kerala. Which musical framework once present in Brihadeshi and ancient text got grouped into folk and classical music? So it was Ragas. C option is correct. Next question. Pandit Lachu Maharaj was passed away recently. He was associated with tabla. Shiv Kumar Sharma is famous for playing the santoor. Panna Lal Ghosh played which of the following musical instrument? He played flute. A option is correct. Which is the post-harvest folk dance in Assam? It is Bihu. Ibrahim Al-Qaji is an eminent personality in which one of the following area? He is a eminent personality in the area of theatre. C option is correct. Kshatriya is a classical dance form of Assam. P.T. Bhimsen Joshi is associated with which of the following fields? He is associated with classical music. Ragini is a popular form of folk song belonging to the state of Haryana. Birju Maharaj is a well-known exponent of Kathak. Kolattam and Cholia are the dance forms of which of two states? So these are the dance forms of Andhra Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. Jubin Mehta is associated with music. Where is the headquarters of National Film Archives of India? Headquarters are in Pune. Located in Pune. 10 thoughts or scales belongs to the system of music belongs to the system of Hindustani music. Which among the following is a form of folk theatre belonging to Gujarat? It is Bhavai. Who played the lead character in movie Bandit Queen? The person was Seema Vishwas. Where is the Film and Television Institute of India located? It is located in Pune. The government of which of the following states started the Tansen Samman? It is started by Madhya Pradesh. National fruit of India is mango. R.K. Lakshman died on January 26, 2015. He was a leading dash of India. So he was a leading cartoonist of India. Charles Correa is renowned Indian. He is a renowned Indian architect and urban planner. Here we will discuss the questions of Indian polity and constitution. First we will discuss the question of evolution framing of the Constitution of India. So let's start. This is our third chapter. A federal structure of India was first put forward by the Act of 1935. Which of the following exercised the most profound influence in framing the Indian Constitution? It was the Government of India Act 1935. How does the Constitution of India describe India as? It describes India as a union of states. The system of judicial review originated in USA. The option is correct. Preventive detention means detention without interrogation. From the constitution of which country the provision of federation was borrowed? While the Constitution of India, so it was borrowed from Canada. Who among the following was not a member of the Constituent Assembly established in July 1946? So the person was Mahatma Gandhi, who was not a member. Who was the chairman of drafting committee of the Constitution? The chairman of drafting committee of the Constitution was B.R. Ambedkar. India is a republic because the head of the state is elected for a definite period. Who was the constitutional advisor of the Constituent Assembly of India? The person was Sir B.N. Rao. Who was the president of the Republic of India who consistently described Indian secularism as Sarva Dharma Sambhav? The person was Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Which of the following countries have an unwritten constitution? The country is UK, which have an unwritten constitution. Which of the following is a feature to both the Indian Federation and the American Federation? It is a federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. The option is correct. The Constitution of India describes India as a union of states. Who among the following was the president of the Constituent Assembly of India? The person was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The convention that once a speaker, always a speaker is followed in UK. How many articles are there in the Indian Constitution? There are total 395 articles. A federal structure for India was first put forward by the Act of 1939. When was our national anthem first sung and where? It was first sung on 27th of December 1911 in Calcutta. The Constitution of India came into force on 26th of January 1950. The term caste was derived from Portuguese. A option is correct. The term Greater India denotes cultural unity. The two forms of democracy are parliamentary and presidential. A option is correct. The Constitution of India contains total 395 articles, which was described by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar as the heart and soul of the Constitution. So it was the right to constitutional remedies. C option is correct. In India, the concept of single citizenship is adopted from England. The drafting of Constitution was completed on 26th of November 1949. Who was the president of Constituent Assembly? The person was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The method of impeachment of the President of India is adopted from USA. Who was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly? The person was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The Constitution of India describes the country as a union of states. The concept of constitution first originated in Britain. The provincial president of Constituent Assembly was Dr. Sachidanand Sinha. A option is correct. The chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The option is correct. Who was the chairman of Constituent Assembly of India? The person was Dr. Rajendra Prasad. The persons may change, but rules should not change. It's the principle of constitutional government. The Constituent Assembly of India was set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan. The two basic principles of the liberal theory of democracy as emphasized by John Locke are these are universal adult franchise and the right to property. A option is correct.